Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So basically we've got two different ways to check those numbers. The first one requires a secret code and it is the quickest option, and the second is using the settings, and of course I'll show you both. So let's begin with the quickest option. Let's open the dialer and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way to check those numbers. It will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, and now let's tap on About Phone. And here basically all we have to do is to simply enter the status. And as you can see right here we've got the IMEI information, so we can just tap on it in order to enter, and here we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots, and after getting back to the status section you can see that the serial number is right here, almost at the very bottom of the list. So basically that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your ASUS Zenfone 9. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.